see your arm. Wait, if her face falls forward, your leg.
Sign. Sign. You say sign? Where's Mama? Where's Mama? Where's Mama? Say Mama. Say Mama. 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 See, there you go. You're it. Say Mama. Say Mama. Say Mama. Mama. Mommy. Mama. Cat. Cat. Sign. 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 What? What? Oh. Mm-hmm. Aww.
So now, as a second company announces striking success in its vaccine trial, the focus shifts to distribution and the unprecedented partnership between the federal government and the private sector.
Are you dancing? She also knows what to do to get it going again.
Yeah.
Maybe you're dancing like Rain Man.
Oh, she got a little too into it. She's gonna be going to the bathroom.
I think she's doing like calisthenics instead of dancing.
And she sees me doing my squats. Kind of got the one move.
Yeah, it's a beautiful motion. She's feeling the music. That's all that matters. She'll get better.
Good girl.
Call her Rain Girl. She's doing squats.
She is.
She sees you doing them.
I know.
Maybe that's what she thinks you're doing to the music.
She could have her own baby exercise room.
Mm-hmm.
And one.
1, 2, 3, cat. 1, 2, 3, sign.
1, 2, 3, cat. Cat.
Cat.
Where's the cat?
Say Mama. Where's Mama? Where's Mama?
Where's Dada? Where's Daddy?
There's a barn burner.
to rape. That was not the most energetic song.
He's a cutie.